Popping the top on a Bronco there, sir.
Just popping tops off, Curtis. That's what we do
it's
here.
a pop top. It's got little buckles and then Velcro that the top comes off of. We're sliding this out of the channel. Get the side windows out first, and then we'll be getting the back window and bringing the whole carriage down. And I think we just follow this arrow right here. Kind of bring this down out of the channel. If it's friendly enough. There we go.
It is friendly.
See how this has got it like a knob at the top? Get that out of the channel based on this arrow right here. And now we should be able to slide the back window out.
Man, Doug is my YouTube.
So now the whole contraption can, got a little lever here. Once I pull that lever, then the whole thing will be able to, watch your fingers and such. Don't care about those for playing guitar later. Just down nice and easy. There is a little hook here, see this? Bang. Hooked in on your side too?
Yeah, locked in. That's how it sits, huh?
Yeah, and I think then we just had this open for access. But yeah, sit just like that, folded and locked down. Pop the windows down, you're ready for some airflow, baby.